Linda from Pennsylvania. My sister suffers from anxiety and arthritis. Since she lives in a remote area, I forward Tai Chi and Qigong videos to her. She told me that a practice helps her keep grounded and wakes up her body. I'm a firm believer that if one is a healthcare practitioner, then one should be a positive health example. That is why I've been doing a daily Qigong practice for over 20 years. I'm now 68 and a semi-retired acupuncturist. It's rare to find anyone over 50 who is not on medication. But I attribute my Qigong practice to staying healthy without prescriptions. Rob, an activities manager from Illinois. We've been using the Easy Tai Chi Qigong DVD for 4 years here at our 55 and older community. It's the #1 request for exercise. Just today, a resident told me that the simple movements helped her stay limber, increase her blood flow, and she learned how to breathe correctly. Another person shared how her back pain subsided. Joe from Minneapolis. As a 30-year retired police detective, I tried many things to change my misanthropic mindset toward humanity. Even the 12-step process didn't help my knee-jerk mistrust. However, hearing the interpretation of Namaste on a YouTube video, "The Spirit in Me honors the Spirit in you," this led to great progress. I'd been doing Qigong during the 90s to help with stress, but got too busy. Then, after having a heart attack, I started Qigong again. At 74, my daily practice of Qigong with Lohan padding helps with overall calmness and the feeling of well-being, of persistence in physical activity and diet, and it also encourages my spiritual growth.